rock, whoa, fill it to the top, whoa. Getting bent 7 days a week, that's a lot, whoa. New chain, that's a lot, whoa. Too drippy, get the mop, whoa. Counting money, bloopers only, just know that's a lot, whoa.
Skxppy.
Yeah, what's good, what's good? If you don't know, I'm Skxppy and welcome back to the channel. Yes. So lately I've been slacking like OD, making like 1 or 2 beats maybe every day, maybe, which got me thinking of how can I make making beats easier so that I could do it faster. You feel me? So I did a little research, came up with a couple ideas. And don't worry, these things is not all complex and all of that. They simple, you feel me? Real simple. And you're gonna go from making 1 to 2 beats a day to 3 to 5 in like 3 hours, you feel me? Word. So I know you're ready to learn this, so you can hop into your own FL Studio, whatever you use. So in 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah. Perfect. Alright, cool. So I know it's a little different, got a little different angle. That's only because I don't know, it's not a regular video, so I feel like I had to switch it up. But this is the first thing I'm gonna put you on to, alright? First thing is knowing your sounds. Literally that simple. Just know your sounds. Alright, cool. So with knowing your sounds, all it really is you already knowing what sounds you were probably gonna use that day off rip. And we all have our favorite sounds. We all have our favorite 808s, our favorite claps, kicks, our favorite pianos, all of that, you feel me? So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna put them together. Your favorite drum sounds, you're all gonna put them in one folder, so you automatically know where they at. So when it's time for you to make a beat, you just use your favorite. Who don't want their favorite? So I'm gonna show you that right now. Let's get to it. Much better. Alright, cool. So knowing your sounds. So I feel like everybody already knows where their favorite drum sounds and stuff is at. But why look for a sound when you could already know where it is? You feel me? So first thing with the drums, make you a beat kit. Like that's what I did right here. I made me a nice little beat kit. So I got all my 808s that I like using. I do have to update it because I've got new sounds since. I got my hi-hats that I like, my claps, kicks, percussion, snares, all of that. All sounds that I need for the drums is in there. Word. So the next thing is VSTs loaded in. It sounds exactly what it is too. Word. It's loaded in your VSTs before you even open up your computer. So I already know you know what VSTs you want to use, whether it be Flex, Omnisphere, Citrus, whatever, you feel me? But why look for them when they already there? You feel me? Less time looking equals more time making. That's my motto. Word. Alright, so I'm gonna put you on. See you over there. Word. Alright, cool. So we in here now. Boom. So basically, what I'm talking about with VSTs loaded in. I gotta talk a little slower. All you're gonna do is drag the VSTs that you use inside your channel rack. So I already have Flex up here. I have Citrus, and now I'm gonna throw in Omnisphere. Where you at, boo? Oh, you over here, boo. I'm gonna throw Omnisphere, and I'm also gonna throw in FL keys because I use that to start off with. So I'm gonna throw in FL keys as well. Whenever it loads, it's literally that simple. All I did was put the VSTs in there already. Boom, I'm done with the first part of my setup. Alright, cool. So the next thing I'm gonna put you on to is presets. V important. Yes. Presets save lives in the music industry, and that's why I'm stressing it so hard right now. It's because it just makes your life that much easier. If you have presets already there, you don't have to do the work over. That's why I like them, because I hate doing repetitive tasks, and I'm pretty sure you do too. So why should you put yourself through that? Word. So I'm talking about when you finish editing a sound in your mixer and you really like the effects that's on it and how it sounds on a piano, and you're like, ooh, I wish I could do this again for my next beat. Well, now you can. So let me show you. Alright, cool. So we back inside FL Studio, and now I want to show off presets. Alright, presets is like this. Let's have, well, I'm gonna make a melody with, no, not that one. Alright, so I'm gonna make a melody with this nylon guitar. I'll be back after I'm done editing it, okay? Bye. Alright, cool. So I got a little chord progression down, you know, something real. Hold on. Why am I just now noticing this, bro? And y'all ain't say nothing. Why am I just now noticing that my screen is not fitted, bro? Why are you not fitted, bro? Who told you to do this, bro? What he told you to do this, bro? Y'all computer ever just do shit? I mean, do stuff, bro? Do shit? Y'all computer ever just do shit, bro? Annoying. Anyways, like I was saying, right? I got me a little chord progression down. It's nice and smooth, nice and calm, you feel me? So what I'm about to do is I'm about to throw some stuff on there. My bad, I had to see what track it was in. So I'm gonna put some stuff on there. Alright, cool. So I kind of like how that sound. I don't really. It's just for the video. But so presets. So this is how you would make this a preset. I put on an EQ, a phaser, and a reverb. You feel me? Don't ask me what none of them do. I'm not about to tell you in this video. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go here and you're gonna click File. Then you're gonna click Save Mixer Track State As, or you can click Shift Command S. Right? When you do Shift Command S, this is gonna pop up for you. If you got a PC, it won't look like this. Yeah, so you got your presets, and then it says Mixer Presets. So all you're gonna do is make a name for it. I'm gonna do mono guitar or low guitar. Yeah, I'm gonna put low guitar. And then if I wanted to pull it up for track 6, all I would do is right click track 6, go to file, go to open mixer track state, and then look, and then look, and then look. There we go. Yeah. And then look, boom. Effects on our insert 6 mixer channel, and then word. What I'm gonna show you now is just like the other one, but a little different. It's the piano roll scores. So this is for when you want to save a melody, so you can use it for later. This helps me just when I don't know how to make a melody, or I can't make a melody at the moment. I'll pull up an old one, edit it a little bit, or switch up the pitch, throw some new effects in there, make it sound a little different, and then boom, I got a whole new beat right there for me. Word. So I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. You go right back to this drop down area on the top left. You feel me? Then you're gonna click File, and then you're gonna click Save Score As. Hold on. Bro, I thought I clicked it. Oh, I didn't. Why is it gray? Can you not be gray, sir? I'm trying to do a video here, and you don't seem to be entertained. Alright, cool. So, my computer acted a little crazy. It's not letting me save the score. Let me try one more time. But that's basically how you do it. You'll click the drop down arrow, click File, click Save Score, and then if you want the score again and a different time, then you just click the drop down arrow, File, and Open Score. Yeah, it's not rocking with me today, y'all. I didn't pick my nose. I'm not done just yet with the presets. So we went over mixer presets. We went over how to get score presets or midis, and now we are going to move on to templates. Templates is basically just having it already there. So we have half the template done. What you call this up here? With the sounds up here, or the VSTs that we have in there. And now we're gonna add some sounds that we like. So I'm gonna go get all my favorite sounds from my drum kit.
Skxppy.
Alright, cool. So this is basically how you set up your template. It's basically done. All I'm gonna do is make sure each of these have a track to go to. You can see over here, I am putting it in sequential order so that when I open it up next time, all I really have to do is nothing, because it's already attached to a thing, and it's like all I gotta do is click. You feel me? Word. If you want to spice it up, I mean, you could throw in a couple colors. You feel me? I'm gonna go purple to blue because that's what I do. And then word. That's my template. Alright, cool. Hold on. Alright, cool. So the next thing I'm gonna put you on to is hotkeys. Alright? Yes, hotkeys. So I'm not gonna hold you. Hotkeys are essential because they don't take out a lot of time, but they take out like 2 seconds. And if you do something 100 times, you just saved yourself 200 seconds. That's a couple minutes. What's good, Thomas? I don't want to tell you guys all the hotkeys because that's a lot of hotkeys to tell you about. But there's gonna be a link in the description for all the hotkeys that are in FL Studio. I felt like it was kind of counterproductive for me to list all the hotkeys in the video, because in that time frame, you could be making a beat instead of listening to me talk about hotkeys. You feel me? Alright, boom. So this is the last thing. After this, you're done. You could go home. The last thing is stop caring so much. Alright? Beautiful things happen when you stop caring. Number one, you feel a little better about yourself. Because if you're not stressing on what you're focused on, you're not stressing. Number two, things don't seem as bad. You don't like a particular sound that's in your beat, don't care about it right now. Mute it. Boom. Now it don't sound as bad. Word. I'ma leave y'all with this. And who told me this? Oh, Curtis King. He told me this. I'm gonna put his stuff right here. Curtis King once told me, have a 1 in a million mindset. That one beat that you're making right now, it could change your life or it could not. But don't focus on it so much to where it's turned into poison instead of a could have been blessing. You understand? Word. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you learned a lot today. You feel me? I like doing videos where I teach people stuff because I always feel better after making it. So now that you got your little beat template down and made, all you're gonna have to do now is go make a beat. Make sure to like if you like, and if you don't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow. You feel me? Oh, and make sure you subscribe. Alright, peace.
Yeah. I hope you don't hate me after I go. You were the one who made me. I hope you don't replace me after I go, cause you're the one who changed me. I hope you don't hate me after I go, cause you're the one who made me. I hope you don't replace me after I go. You were the one who changed me. I know you really